walang kinakatakutan. Ganun ho siya. Kaya magandang panoorin. Kung kayo ay nag-enjoy doon sa Senate hearing, I'm sure, mas lalo kayo mag-i-enjoy sa Miyerkules. Kasi, kung yung mga nandun ay aasta ng mali, maniwala kayo, maghahalo ang ano doon. Basta, abangan nyo na lang. Basta ang aking word of caution to the members of Congress. You invited the former president. You're saying that you're going to give dignity to his office. Do it. Don't ever commit the mistake of embarrassing the president, former president, humiliating the former president, assaulting his integrity and reputation, and misleading people